Introduction. Social psychology studies have helped to build societal thinking about life. There are many ideological thoughts about people's behaviors. The different beliefs shape the way people do things. The paper would explain the 3 big ideas in social psychology and give reasons why they are the most interesting ones. We construct our social reality. People have had historical differences. It is not possible for them to have the same kind of thinking over a particular issue. For instance, if one gives children a rope for the first time, some will tie to a tree. Others would use it to jump while others would look for something to cut it into pieces. The same applies to adults. When people come to a meeting, they are apparently trying to put their thoughts together to reach a decision. After deliberations, they come up with an agreeable decision that is acceptable across the board. It does not mean that all of them would accept the verdict. But their input makes it possible to arrive at a conclusion. The reason for this choice is that it provides an avenue for amicable disagreements. It helps people to accommodate other people's views. People should, therefore, not become judgmental concerning their colleagues' views. Social influences shape behavior. As people live, they tend to socialize in a great way. Today, the social media has made socialization become a global issue. People get in touch with others for various reasons. Some do it for professional guidance while others for social affairs. There is a saying that indicates that birds that are of the same type of fly together. When someone becomes acquainted with certain environments, he or she becomes part of that place. A parent may admonish a child who joins a group of individuals who have behaviors that are not good. People may become hardworking and productive when they live in a society that requires hard work. When the people around a person are drug addicts and depend on the drugs for a livelihood, they would influence him or her to become an addict. Companies have cultures at the workplace. Some have a tradition of wearing uniforms at work. People who work in these organizations adapt to that culture and would most probably transfer it to the other places they visit. I chose this idea because it bases its opinion on the principle that if people have certain characteristics, then it is because of their social background. A child that is born by farmers in a farming society would understand that farming is a source of their livelihood. When such children grow up, they will continue to appreciate farming as a way of life. Personal attitudes and dispositions shape behavior. Everyone is entitled to personal choice. People make decisions based on personal views and judgments. Despite being a member of a family or group, everyone has a way of making decisions that affect his or her behavior. The reason I chose it is that it teaches about attitudes and personal dispositions. They cause people to attain a particular tag. It is the reason one would appear to be honest, hardworking, eloquent, disorderly, or even uncanny. Conclusion. The 3 ideas are a critical combination of choices because they have in many ways shaped the societal norms. One would be right if he or she belonged to a particular group. In leadership, people would align with the leader because they know that his or her strategy shapes his or her persona. They all make it possible to describe people's behavior. Everything you need for studies, essay samples, writing tools, and tips, you can find at studycorgi.com.